guys, welcome back. Even though I'm a professional, I love sharing my at-home beauty secrets with you guys. A lot of you are really busy taking care of everyone else, but not taking care of yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve gorgeous brows by yourself. We have some brand new brow products to show you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how you can shape your own brows at home, then please keep watching. Okay, let's start this. So I'm so excited to do this video with you guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I did most of my makeup. I only have to do my eyebrows and my eyeshadow and some highlighter. So you guys are gonna help me do that. And I'm gonna be using these three amazing new products from the LLBA collection. So I'm gonna be using the LLBA Precise Pencil, the LLBA Gel, and the LLBA Concealer and Highlighter. For this video, we're not gonna need much. We're gonna need those three products. Then on the side, I have these three brushes from LLBA also. This is gonna help me to do the application of the highlighter and the concealer. Also, I have a tweezer because I'm gonna do the outline, and then I'm gonna take the excess hair that I have around, like little ones that I have, and then I'm gonna use a brush to brush my eyebrows, and then some Q-tips and some cotton pads. I'm gonna tell you at the end where we're gonna use it for. Okay, so let's get started. So to start, I'm gonna start with the LLBA pencil. These allow me to do the drawing a lot better. And then on the back has the little brush. This one is kind of for smush the pencil around a little bit. So this is how I do it. So I take the pencil, and then to see where my eyebrows start, the good thing with the pencil is it's very tiny. So I kind of like go like this, and I make like a little line. Then I go to the other side, and then I make a little line as well. So now I know where my eyebrows are gonna start. Then I take the pencil, and I go on the bottom, kind of like doing the outline from the bottom first. And in here, I fill it up a little bit. I don't need to fill it up too much because I'm gonna be using the LLBA Gel too. So that will help us to fill up those gaps. The pencil is just to do the outline. So I go here a little bit higher just because my eyebrows are not even, because I had an accident when I was a little kid, so I have a big scar on my left side. So because of that, I constantly have to do my right eyebrow a little bit higher than my left side, so when I look at both of them, they look level. So here I like to do it a little bit round, so I go a little bit round, not too much, and then I go all the way to my tail, kind of like making a triangle. So see, now we have kind of the outline. With the back part, I'm gonna start kind of like filling in the parts, so it doesn't look like a straight line of color. It looks more like kind of like if I apply powder or eyeshadow to my eyebrows. So this is one side. Now I'm gonna do the left side, and then I come back. So I do it slowly. So again, I'm gonna start on the lower side. You guys see here, I have like one big gap of no hair. So that part I have to fill it up more than the rest of my eyebrow. Then over here, I do round again. So now I take a look at my both eyebrows. I have to relax my face, otherwise my eyebrow goes way too high. And then I go like this, try to fill those gaps, but that I'm not worried. Again with the pencil, Remember I told you I need like a Q-tip, so basically this is gonna be to like clean the, maybe I went out a little bit too much, so I just clean those sides, and then I try to go a little bit round. The same thing with my right side. So now I try to like play with my eyebrows to make sure like they're like same, they're even. Like the pencil is so precise, so small, that it allows me to go in between those little parts of my eyebrow and then do like a nice, very soft design. This pencil only universal color. So what it means by this is we only have one color at the moment, but the good thing is like if you want it darker, you just apply a little bit more. If you want it more lighter, just apply a little bit, and then you go with the brush and you kind of like move it around the eyebrows, okay? So there we have it. So now I'm gonna clean the edges with the Q-tip, and I'm gonna get those extra hairs that I have. So like this. Okay, so now with the lash brush, I like to brush my hairs up, because now I'm gonna apply the eyelash brow gel. Okay, on my case, I'm gonna use dark taupe. So what the gel does basically is kind of like brush the hairs and leave them in place. The pencil, what it does, it kind of like tint the skin, like the color of the hairs underneath. And with the gel, I'm gonna tint the actual hairs, and then I'm gonna leave them in place. So it kind of give me that lamination look. You see how it starts coloring my hairs? It's so nice. If you need to get more, you get more. There you go. Always following your design that we did previously with the pencil. So I always lift them up like this. Make sure they're like. And then with the lash brush, I just go on the edges to kind of brush those little hairs that went out of place, to leave them in place. And then at the tail, I always kind of like do like this. It's very sharp. I love my top. So now we're gonna go with the other side. So the same thing. I'm gonna go from the application from the bottom. Okay, so we're getting there. So now, because I went with the brush is a little bit, sometimes it's a little bit messy. So what I do is like, I take a little bit of like makeup remover and I put it in the end of the Q-tip, and then I just go on my edges. And I told you guys this gives you like kind of like a lamination effect. So if you touch them, they feel like a little bit thicker, and that's good because it makes you feel like you have a lot more hair than what you have. So now we're gonna go with the concealer. Okay. So now it has the concealer in one side and the highlighter in the other side. So I'm gonna get the highlighter. And I'm gonna get one precise brush. It has like an angle or like something more like round. So for the concealer, I like the round one. Now with the concealer, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go underneath to like clean those edges and to make the eyebrows look super sharp, super nice. Perfect. Now I'm gonna do the highlighter. I'm gonna take another brush. This time I'm gonna be using the angular brush. So the reason why is because I'm gonna apply it with the actual. I'm gonna go under it like this. Remember that our eyebrows are like the frame of our face, right? So it should always have like a nice design, a nice color. Our eyebrows should always be 2 tones darker than our natural hair or whatever hair color you have at the moment. So they always be like, you know, the frame of the face. This is just my makeup. I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of eyeshadow just to show you guys how it looks. And that's it. Voila, we have beautiful eyebrows. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching again. Please like and share this video if you found the information helpful. If you have tried some of the products in the I Love Brow collection, then please leave us a comment and feel free to ask us any questions. If you are interested in purchasing any of the products you saw today, the link will be in the description box. See you next time!